Hey guys, guess what I kept for 2.5 years? That's right. It's my old Prius battery cells, which were bad when I was fixing my Prius battery. I kept them in storage for 2.5 years to do something with them, and I think it's about time. Alright, well, here are all the cells that I kept this past couple of years. So let's check their voltages and see if they still have anything in them. Let's line the rest of them up and take a look at all of them. So 7, nice. 6.8. 6.8. 6.8 again. Looks like most of them are around 6.8. Oh, look at this one. This one's juicy. Let's see if we can get some sparks going with this. Oh! Oh, that's actually kind of crazy. Oh, that was a big one. Well, I'm sad. Look at how that thing got destroyed. Right there. That was cool though. Let's see what else we can do. Okay, I got 2 pieces of stranded wires. Alright. Let's see what we're gonna get here. I have both wires untangled like that. Ready? Here goes nothing. Ooh. Oh, that was crazy. Did you see that? Oh, it's actually burning the wires. Wow. I can smell that. Look at this. Let me put this away. See if we can get a good focus on this. Look at that. Oh, that piece of wire just fell right off. Let's do it again. Wow. Oh, I can actually feel the entire wire heating up going down there. I wonder if we can weld with this. Wow. Wow, did you see that? I think I'm gonna try welding next. And I just wanted to show you that, you know, each of these cells are about 7 volts or so. And I can touch both ends over here and not have any problems. So these cells can do a lot of current, but the resistance between these 2 points need to be low enough for it to deliver that current, or the voltage needs to be high enough. So with 7 volts, it's not going to do anything to me. But now imagine, how many was it? 22 or 28 of these all in series? 28 times 7, you get like 200 and something volts. Yeah, that is deadly. So what I should have done in the very beginning is I really should have removed my ring over here, because if this thing touches the leads and starts conducting that high current, it's gonna get really hot. So better late than never. I'm gonna remove it now and continue this without my ring on. So I've actually never welded before. This is gonna be my first time trying to weld. I guess not many people can say that their first time welding was with a salvaged hybrid car battery. I'm going to take this, clip it to the positive end, join these together over here, and then on this end I'm going to use this screw as a welder. And then of course I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Let's see if we can weld the tip of these two together. It did not work. Oh, you know what? Haha! Success. Well, not quite what I was hoping for, but it worked. Sweet. So can you weld with hybrid car batteries? I guess yeah. Let's try one more experiment. Wow. Cool. If that's not welded, then I don't know what is. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see me do more crazy stuff, please subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends if they want to watch me do stupid and crazy stuff too. See you guys next time.